Hey guys, all content discussed in this channel is due diligence gathered with aim at better understanding the nature of the current market in anticipation of the greatest squeeze in financial history. Let's dive in. Today the major benchmarks continued their 7-week decline. The S&P 500 at one point fell below 1.8%, which had us reach a down of 20%. A bear market is defined as stocks dropping 20% or more from their recent peak. Being that we are set to go into a full bear market, the overall market sentiment was absolutely trashed today. The White House and the Fed were in denial about inflation last year, dismissing all evidence and worries about the way they were handling things. Now, we are at a point where the likelihood of a recession that will break inflation is higher than ever. Since World War II, the S&P 500 has experienced 17 bear markets or new bear markets, and number 178 is certain to arrive soon as next week at earliest. The sour mood is now permanent and it's hard to grasp for any hope. China took some major steps to rescue its slumping housing market in a major downturn in their economy. The People's Bank of China cut its 5-year loan prime rate by 15 whole basis points, the largest on record. China's almost trillion-dollar hedge fund industry experienced deep losses which forced selling by some managers. According to Bloomberg, about 2,350 stock-related hedge funds dropped below the threshold that activates clauses requiring them to slash exposures. These signs of stress were close to the historical high. I will talk much more at length about China on this next Sunday's upcoming video, but for now, you know that Chinese economy is also crumbling. GameStop and AMC did not make any announcements. Today we had 2 alerts on Discord, which were both successful and ran past 10% each. I encourage you guys to come to the Discord and check it out. Let's now talk about today. The Fed submitted over $1.987 trillion in reverse repo operations today. Dark pool trades for AMC accounted for 51% of the total volume today, while dark pool trades for GameStop accounted 52% of the total volume today. AMC had a bearish day, losing over 8%. It opened around 13.30 and began selling off for most of the day until it reached 11.44 where it found support. After a bounce, AMC closed at 12.03, below the VWAP. GameStop had a bearish day, losing over 3%. It opened around 100 before beginning to sell off. GameStop found support at 90 before bouncing up and closing at 95.66, above the VWAP. Come and join my Discord for more content, the link will be down in the video description. Thank you again for being a part of this channel. I will continue striving for better content. Enjoy the rest of your day, keep on buying the dip and to the moon.